baagala.
Okay,
Again.
let me share my screen. So can swim mulaba screen yange. This is the desktop of your laptop over my laptop. Let me open the desktop here. Wait. If you have Excel in your laptop, when you come here in search bar and you type Excel, you'll be able to see the Excel app. And akagambo kabeerawo nti Excel app. Oba tolina Excel no typing ekigambo Excel kiki egenda okuleetera? Egenda kuleetera linking ekuteekinga to web browser. Kitegeeza nti gwoba togirina. I told you this tugenda kiraba mulabe difference. Kati bweba kuteekinga web browser it means nti you don't have it. Eno tebayita standalone version gye tukozesa nga tetulina na wifi. Kati oba ogirina ejja kubanga app yo, which means that whenever you go oba olina wifi oba tolina wifi, it is a matter of searching for it and you open it and you tell it the way you want it. Goyinza okuba nga wagiteeka wano nga weeri, others bamanyi ogiteeka wano oba mukyegete ku taskbar. Goyinza okuba wagipininga ku screen nga kwerumu ku screen, abamu bagiteeka wano ku taskbar. Doesn't matter, provided you have it. Once you come here and you type Excel, then you just take the word Excel, ojja kulaba nti ejja kuleetera nti Excel app, ajja kujjanga app, which means it is inside your laptop. Kati oba togirina ejja kuleetera web browser. Let me search for something which I think I don't have here. Tugeze njagala maybe. Do you have any app? TikTok? Yes, TikTok. I think I don't have it for sure. I don't have it. Olaba kati ejja kundeetera on TikTok. Naye tendetedde TikTok app mugiraba, which means when clicking on ejja kuntwalako web browser yino wano. Oba mukitegedde?
Yeah.
So it means nti wonna wandikamu ekigambo Excel nga togirina ejja kuleetera web browser. Kitegeeza nti wonna agenda eyo ojja sangayo kye bayita Excel fine nga 365 but you didn't pay. Kitegeeza nti wapayinga. Kitegeeza nti gwe ojja kuba ne limitation. Bagenda kuwaako obuntu butono bakuwengako sample baagala opayinge. Woba tolina Excel mu laptop yo, it means ogenda kukozesa bino wamanga. Either ojja genda ku Google biki eno Google ojja kugenda ku Google oba Chrome yo. Kati let me close. Let me get this one and then see. You go to your browser here, Chrome. I want to see whether I can see. So you see this one, this symbol, Google app. You go to Google app. From here, when you see this symbol from Google app, you can be able to see tojja kuba ni kyebayita, yes, Google Sheet ejja kubeera wano. Osobola okukozesa naye you have some limitation. Togenda kuba nga alina Excel. Let me hope that one clear.
Yeah.
Ekirala ki tugeze oba tolina Excel osobola okukozesa ne WPS. I think abamu bagimanyi WPS. You write in your maybe any browser WPS, I think WPS. Naye esobola okuwa apps ezo, offices. So asoji downloading ejja kuba ne apps ezo. Saka ji downloading akuba ndi downloading taking a control over my Excel. So neno website woba togirina ng'ogenze wano rating anti Excel togirina n'okufaming anti togirina app nga tekalesenga ka app. Those are alternatives. Oba mukyegedde? kati ku those one abagirina tugeze njogera n'ab'essimu nga bakozesa essimu nti ogenda kusa WPS oba Google Sheet byosobola okukozesa kati to those one abalina Excel, you come and write and you get this app and you double click on it, it will be able to open. So when you get it, you double click on it, it will open. So Excel yaffe maze okuopeninga. This is my Excel. Buli opening Excel for your first time ojja kulaba this screen, welcome screen. Era ejja kugamba onaba good morning, ejja kugamba good morning, ejja ba evening, ojja kugamba good evening. Back welcoming. It means you have Excel. Ejja opening wait. Era ojja kufuna appearance wait. Tugenda kunyonyolako wano nti this one eba recent ichegeza nti binakakolako byembadde nkolako. It means for you oba it is your first time nga tolina kiwakozeeko ku Excel togenda kuba na zino files oba checked wano wajja kubawo space nga teriiwo ewaliziiwo nga tewali kintu kyonna tobikula Excel nombuuza nga siraba ano document. It means it for you tolina document gyewali ocreatinze wano wajja kuba empty. Then wetumala ekyo tujja kulaba screen yaffe nga yeeno. Tujja kuba ne options, tujja kuba ne home, new, open, account and option. Home yeeno gye tulina. Wenyiga mu new kyekyo kye tufuna ku screen, kyekyo kye kijja. Wenyiga mu open kyekyo ekijja. Wenyiga mu account kyekyo ekijja. Wenyiga mu option bye bino ebijja. Which means each and everything has what you call chekola bechikola option is zikola. So let me go back. I close, I cancel. So this is the Excel we had. Lwaki ereseemu ebirala before nga olw'ensonga nti wali tubadde tu opening just Excel kati wenva okunyiga mu option egenze n'opening a document. That's why erese bino. But since I closed the document bino tosobola bikozesa. But in actual sense for the first time nga opening Excel the other screen we had before that je tulina okubeera nayo. Allow me to close this one and I will open again so that we come to the other screen je tubadde nayo. When I'm closing the entire Excel.
Now you are going to open again.
I'm going to open again. Let me close. Let me click OK. So I'll come here and I write Excel. Since I have the app, I double click on it, it will open. Let me close this one. So this is what we're supposed to have. Nga tolina document yonna gy'openinze, nga just openinze Excel. Nga software the entire thing, the entire program. Mutegera difference wantu kuva ku opening Excel the entire program. Tetunaba ku opening file yonna. Naye tu opening the entire program ya Excel gye tuliko wano. So tumbagambye nti mu home this is the commands over options you have. Era okalaba nti home is selected. These commands mulimu kye bayita blank workbook, which means you're going to creating a workbook over tugenda kulaba what is a workbook. Ogenda creating a kye bayita Excel file naye ng'ogitandika from scratch, that is a blank. Kitegeeza nti wekiba kitabo ogenda kigula buguzi nga kipya nga tolina kirimu kyonna any content nga tamulimu any content. This is from a blank workbook. Kati wano waliwo kye bayita the business what birina amanyi kitegeeza nti bino already they are already designed, it is there nti osobola okuzikozesanga to modify to suit your need. These one they are called template. It means they are designed already by someone amanyi kyakola nakuterawo nti you can change. You can just use this one as a guideline and put accordingly to you maybe information which correspond with your company. So this one they are the templates. Zijjawo olw'ensonga I already opened them. Singa it is your first time nga tolina gye opening wano wajja kuba nga tewali wadde anything. Kano ka link kakutwala to more template. Wo clickingamu kagenda ku createra new to be selected, which means new ekuwa kye bayita template. When you come down here you can even search for more template depending which business over which kind of template you feel like. Just not a template, it is pre-designed already by designing and what it is a matter of to change according to your data. Lwaki somesa nnyo template? Because nti omuntu ya designing yali amanyi kati gwe ffe tetumanyi, we are starting. Kitegeeza nti omuntu okuvuga emotoka okutuula mu maaso ge wa driver alina okuba ne idea y'okukola ki ey'okuba nga amanyi okuvuga emotoka okutuula nti driver seat then the other, so alina okuba nga amanyi okuvuga ku motoka. Kati oba tomanyi, it means not too late, it means you are in the wrong position. Now one makes you to use a template nga tolina kyomanyi, you are obanga because tolina kyomanyi, it means tolinawo idea, tolina kyosobola tegeera nti oli yakozesa what okufuna kino weekiti, oyinza okumessing up with your designing. So a template, it is a term savior once you have an idea. Kansolo nakyo mukitegedde. When do we use template? We use template when we have idea of what we want to, of how to do something. And the reason why we use template to save time. Kansolo nakyo kiri clear. So we are not gonna spend a lot of time about template. Tugenda kuziddira, but just know there are a variety of templates. It depends on which category you want. So we can see Excel, you can use Excel to create invoice, what inventory. So you can even just come here and you want invoice to create invoice, you just write the word invoice. They will bring a template concerning invoice. So once you have internet, not maybe spelling is not correct. Invoice. Let me read that one. So you can see this one, they are about invoice. So what you about writing an invoice, but you have your business in the go call invoice. Invoice is like a receipt. Which means you can open this one and you see when they prove you one. So what take our company logo yo already move any company logo to gezengo inaka logo yo. One not take our information about you, your business, one not take, which means it or no kubango mani bako sexy or kubango so feeling that this one or becoming a complete document. Our consumer the idea. So for our case, let us close this template. We don't tamper with them. We shall come back ngatumazo kuiga. How do we create Excel or document from scratch, and we modify and we do, which means if you can create from scratch, then to use a template could be very easy. Kijakuwa very simple because we want to save time. We know already what to do, but we want to just save time. So that is new tab here with templates and other related things. To open, it's like you are gonna open a document over an Excel document you already created and you stored in your PC. Nge kigambo ekiri open. Wona clicking away jakuletera places where you can store your information. To in OneDrive. Baba gama to OneDrive until you can store information. This one, you can just store here. You don't need to carry your laptop. You just go with your account, and you know already you have even the password. You ask someone nti mpa ku gadget yo mpa ku laptop yo nofuna document yo storinze jo storinga ku OneDrive kati opati storinze wano mu no browsing no genda mu your piece tugeze nga storinga mu this one. It means nti onakuwa na PC yo oku accessinga document because wagiteka mu device yo oba mukitegera mutega difference.
Yes.
So that is it. Kati when open, it means that when you want to open any document, you're gonna come here and you look for it. You browse and you go where you stored it, and you click on it, and you'll be able to open it. Kati ugenda on account. When you click on account, it will give you first of all your information about your account. Once okosa Excel nga omulina naye nga toyina Microsoft account, please create your Microsoft account. Microsoft account and the Google account, they are different. Check it. Create Microsoft account. You're connecting it to OneDrive. Cancel Michuli. Microsoft account, you're going to Kujawan. This is Microsoft account. Young. This is the information about Microsoft account. Katichemba Demba Gamba, it is here. Product information. I'm using what we call Microsoft Office Profession Plus 2018. This is what we call a standalone version. Ebako ni limitation. Goinzo kuba in 2018, oyanzo kuba in 2021, waina na 2016, waina walwa na 2010, walwa na 2013, 2007, kati bina mu category over version. Kati the latest version, which I know, it is 2021. Joko mukuba ni latest version, joko mukuba ni tools enyingi oba ne modified tools. Zetugenda okulaba mu maaso awo. Kitegeeza nti waliwo 119 byalina ng'ogwa 16 tobirina. Kitegeeza nti wa 16 byalina sometimes waliwo ate ebitali mu 2013. There is a modification. That's why there is 19, 21, and so in the 118, waliwo function gyengenda okwagala mu 19 ngazi eri mu 2021. Kitegeeza nti sobola accessinga eno tekola update with those tools they were introducing. Kati wano wansi waliwo ekigambo kye bayita Microsoft 365. Singa obanga opayinga monthly, which is a bit expensive, gokosa 365. Here over eligible to get all the updates. Nti buli kye introducing over updated. Kasube mu kitegeera nti wano over updated nti buli kijja kiba introduced you already have them. So one kyembagaza mutegeere nti you go.
Teacher, you're muted out. You're muted out.
Someone muted me.
That's all.
So, kyembadde mbagamba kiri very simple. Nti you go to your account here, you'll be able to see your information about your product. And from there, you go and identify which product are you using, because it's very important. Are you using 19? Are you using 16? Are you using 13, 2007, 2010? Or you are using the latest one? If you have the latest one, 2021, you're on safe side. 2019, safe side. 2016, safe side. However, not 7, 13, we have some every single way to get okola very okay. The better thing you must have the latest version. Let me check it. So
Yeah.
mugenda kugulawo Excel ya mutegeere version gye mukozesa. These one they are very simple. This one they are color. nti kala gyogenda okozesa oyinza okuba nga oyagala black osobola okyusa kala nga okozesa white oba oyagala white osobola okyusa just a theme office theme. It means wokyusa wano nuwona uyikula word eno kala wona agikyukiza mu Excel ejja ku affecting all the suits zolina. So come here and you set well knowing nti bino byogenda setting out even mu word bigenda kuba affected, even mu Excel, even PowerPoint, even other suits. So here in account bino binjagala otegero your account. If you are you connected with OneDrive, that is it. One otegera nti I'm connected with OneDrive. You can see my personal account is here already connected as service. My account is there connected. One otegerera this is my account, this is connected, and this is the version I'm using. That is the major thing you must understand there. So what to do in options to direct, this is the administration setting. Whatever we're gonna use in Excel, whatever we want to adjust, we come to the word code option to make adjustment. You come here, if you come here and you don't know, it means you're gonna mess up with the default setting. So let us go to home. Here we are in Excel, the software. We want to create the first file for our maybe our today's what project. Together creating a project, together creating the first file or the first document of Excel. We're gonna create it from the blank workbook. What is a workbook? A workbook is a collection of sheet. Ngawe kiri ekitabo nti obikula ekitabo wagamba nti this is a book. Mubamu papers. Kati a sheet, I think mubamu sheet kyekindi kiyinza page. Kansibe kiri clear. Kitegeeza nti I have a workbook. Nja kuba n'ekitabo. By default, when I am creating from blank workbook, you see what will come. Nja creating now I've created a workbook. Mulaba nti this is my workbook. Omuntu wakubuza what is a workbook? Is a collection of sheet. Where do we find a sheet? Sheet zibeera wano wansi. Era olaba nti sheet 1. Wano waggulu waba akagambo nti workbook, a book 1. It means it okreatinze ekitabo kimu kirinamu sheet emu. By default kijja kujja nga this is the name. We know how to rename a file when we go to save as option, and we can save as and we rename according to our own choice. So this is by default book 1 kibakuleetedde nti kitabo kimu kirina ne sheet emu. Naye in your sense nti ekitabo ekyo kye tulina kino ekitabo ki Excel kiba kinene. It is not limited to one sheet. It is limited to very many sheets. But even one sheet eno gye tulina, it is very wide. Njatandika scrollinga nga nzikirira. Mulaba namba zino ezitambula zino. Olaba nti zino line nene. I'm scrolling. You can see I'm still scrolling. You can see chita lupepa lumu. It's like one page. Jendimu. Now you can see how much the numbers tugenda muchiraba. It doesn't mean it doesn't ending, but with certain values, which is very large. Tugenda talk away ending. Now you kulaba nti it is very big. Sheet M, naye it is very big. So we are still going down. On one sheet, just remember that one sheet jetulim, rojiraba yeri selected. But we are still going down, which means that data got so take come na abamungi nnyo as compared to omuntu alina akatabo n'awandika ku paper ate ne lugwako luno olupapula lumu. Wamukitegeera? So you can see it, we are still going. Same apply when you are going this. Maybe this one is called horizontally. nti tubadde ni ABCD. You can see it even you go here, it is very nti olaba leeta zigenda nezikola ki nezeyongera. It means nti just one sheet ogiraba nti eri very wait. So if I want to come back, I'll just press enter to go back, because tukirabye nti kiri very wait. That is one paper. Ekitegeeza nti a workbook, it's called a book. If I say workbook, just noting I'm referring to this book, Jetuvoke Opening. It is a collection of sheets. So esobola okuba ne sheet 1, a sheet emu yokka, oba esobola okuba ne sheet ennyingi. So if I want to add another sheet, I just press on this mukalaba kala
Addition
plus.
sign.
Yes, if I want to get another sheet, I can just click on it. I can send it sheet 2. I can insert another one. I can click on it. So also sheet. Ntikitegeeza nti kitabo kimu naye kisobola okuba ne sheet nga zirimu waddaani nga nnyingi, as many as you want. Mukitegedde? Now you have more than even 10. You can even insert here. You cannot be seeing them, but they are here. Because the space is over affording showing only 10. Doesn't mean it's only limited to 10. You can go to up to 30. Muziraba.
Yeah.
So, what is a workbook? It is a collection of sheets. Kasome tutegera bulungi. Kati wetudda ku sheet. Buli sheet erina principle. Kati eno sheet 1. Woba selecting eno ye sheet 2. Eno selecting eno sheet 3. Buli sheet ya njawulo. Wano muyinza okuba tetulina content, mulaba nti the same thing. Wemba ngenda kwenu tulabawo njawulo naye bikyuka. Kitegeeza nti wemba ndemu A neteekamu nti A. Wengenda ku sheet 2 kigenda kusangamu late ya eno sheet ndala. Ate muno nteekamu anything. Wengenda ku sheet endala kitegeeza eno sheet ndala. Wenteekamu something kitegeeza nti wengenda kwenu something. Kitegeeza wemba njagala kiki enteese mu sheet 1 era nina kugenda ku sheet 1 ndi selectinga. This is where I find my content. Oba mukitegeedde? Kitegeeza nti sheet ziba za njawulo. Ate sheet emu era eba nnene. You cannot finish it. That is how Excel is. For the beginning, just help me to understand what is a workbook, a collection of sheets. Mukitegedde? Doesn't mean ntesobola kuba ne sheet emu. Nga wetu openings neba ne sheet emu yokka ntesobola okukozesa workbook ng'erina sheet emu. It doesn't matter. It's just not a collection of worker sheets over sheets. Which means ntesobola okuba ne sheet emu, 2, 3, 4. The minimum sheet can have 1. The maximum sigimanyi ezo nnyingi tulabye nti we can just add until this. Kati sheet emu erina kye bayita very many zino letters ne numbers. So tugenda kulaba what is this one and what is this one. Woba ogenda what nti A, B, C, D, E. This one is called column. Eno column. Kati eno column A, eno column B, eno column C, eno column D, eno column E, eno column E, F, eno column like that. If I select this one, you can see I've selected column A. Mukitegedde? Eno column B, eno column C, eno column D, eno column E, eno column like that. Kitegeeza nti wogenda kuleeta weziti. These are called columns. Mu sheet olwo tutandise okwogera ku sheet eno sheet 1. Sheet erina what is the component of sheet. Sheet erina row ne column. Kati row these one numbers okukira wansi nti eno row 1, eno row 2, eno row 3, eno row 4, eno row. Mukitegedde? Kansobe ebintu bino. Oba olina question you can ask. Kati nyinza okujja ano nenzijjako heading zino. Nenkubuuza what is column? What is row? Just understand. When I'm going like this, we're like it here, nga ndi going like this. I'm moving like this. I'm moving to column side. If I'm going down, this one lows. However, matching a letter teziri over. Zino letters bino heading just a guideline to help you. But the concept in elimu Excel or no working with zero or no working with zero over column. Regardless into over zino heading with zero but zero. Le jasigala column ni lo jasigala low. But just understanding where do we find the low and where do we find the column. Tugambe nti column eba kole zizineza waggulu. Mulaba nti nzijjeko letters naye when clicking one wale kibayita nome box ojja kulaba nti ejja kundetera nti oli mu F5 eno letter esooka identifying column kijolimu eno number esembayo identifying row jolimu naye olaba tebiriiwo. If I turn it ojja kulaba nti era wano ndi mu F wano 5 which means nti wano the intersection erimu F5. Cut, allow me to introduce this one. The intersection of a row and a column, it is called a cell.
What?
Intersection of a
What is
column
it called?
and a row, it is called cell. Cell, ekigambo cell. Ekigambo kino cell.
C-E-L-L.
Yes.
Cell.
Cell.
I was hearing cell.
Cell. What is a cell? Intersection between column and row. When clicking wano ejja kumpa cell bagiyita wemba njaga otegeera erinnya lya cell eno gye ndimu njirabira wano eno bagiyita name box. Wano wendabira erinnya erya active cell gye ndimu. Cell diri wefuuka active C-E-L-L. Cell becoming deactive. Wengenda ne clicking away olaba nti eri bounded with this green, thick green. Agent yeba active. Kati weba active. Kati name box ejja kuwa erinnya eri ekyo ekiri active. Obvious wano ndemu E3. So, kitegeeza by all means you understand always a letter representing a column, a figure representing a row. Sagala kwongerako bingi for today. Just understand those concepts. They are very enough.
Thank you.
Yes. Musole bulungi.
Thank you, teacher.